I thank the organizers for organizing this and also Rahul ji for starting a battle for social justice on behalf of all of Shudra, OBC, Dalit, Adivasi from the Nehru, Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi family. Thank you very much. This battle is a game-changing battle. I am making a brief statement on behalf of the whole Shudra communities, OBCs. I myself is an OBC. 2024 Congress Manifesto, a game changer of Indian history. From 1952 general election to 2024 general election, it was Congress which has given a methodology of putting manifestos before the country. No other party earlier had this idea in a very backward India by then. But when Congress was ruling this country for quite a long time, there was one time when a class-based manifesto for the poorest of the poor, for the weakest of the weak was put in 1971 by three slogans by Indira Gandhi at that time. One, Garibi Hatao. Second, Privy Purses Abolition. जो राजाओं का प्रॉपर्टीज था और उसका राजाओं का अथॉरिटी था, उसको अबॉलिशन का मैनिफेस्टो में रखा दिया गया था. देन बैंक नेशनलाइजेशन. बट कास्ट एज एन इशू, oppression of Dalit, Adivasi, particularly OBC and Shudras, was never put in any national party's manifesto for the first time because of Rahul ji's fight. That this nation needs an X-ray. This nation is suffering with a disease of caste, untouchability, inequality and oppression of women. Therefore, caste census must be taken up. And after 1931 census, Rahul ji's slogan and putting in the Congress manifesto, Rahul ji, I will tell you that nobody can escape caste census in this country. The ruling BJP party thinks that it can escape, but year afterwards, I am definitely sure if this slogan goes, every house, every village, every child being educated in the school, that your caste and yourself will be counted in next census, Congress will come to power, sure. And you also said the 50% cap based on any database the Supreme Court imposed on our life. Now once the caste census is taken, you promise the nation that constitution will be amended and 50% cap will be removed. Therefore, every OBC, every Dalit, every Shudra, whether Jat, Gujar, Patel, Maratha or Kamma, Reddy, whatever, they all will get their population-based share. Now this is a revolution. This revolution will bring another change in my view. Rahul ji, regional Shudra parties have come into existence because Congress has not taken up abolition of caste question, Phule, Ambedkar and Savitribai Phule's ideology into Congress. Once you take it up, all the Shudra regional parties will in future merge with Congress. There is no scope for regional parties surviving in the country, and since they did not get their share, they formed regional parties, whether Samajwadi, whether RJD, whether Telugu Desam earlier, whether Maharashtra parties or whatever. Once that happens, Congress will be again a major real ruling party for one more 100 years without any shaking. Without any shaking. Because abolition of caste and inequality, equality to women, with all these points in this. And there is a class angle in the manifesto. For the first time, Congress promised 1 lakh rupees transfer from budget to every poor woman in this country. Imagine the revolutionary potential of that. The money from the budget will not go to big contractors. The money will not go to big industrial houses, which are now even trying to sample Congress as well. And every unemployed will get 1 lakh rupees, and they will get apprenticeship both in public and private sectors. So the idea of giving reservation equality-based representation in public sector is going to enthuse the youth of SC, ST, OBC and all Shudras, whether Jat, Gujar, Patel, they don't exist today. So, Rahulji, we thank Congress party to have brought this revolutionary change. This revolutionary idea into very electoral manifesto. Now I request the media here. The manifesto is not getting enough attention in social discussion, social media, people's conversations. So please take this manifesto every home through general media, through English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayali, regional languages, and the social media has a big role to play. And once this reaches every house, Congress is likely to definitely is going to come to power in 2024, and the nation will undergo a radical change. Thank you.